Hello guys, today we are going to fix this audio card type of MIDI Plus Studio M. The issue is very obvious. The USB port is broken and it is type B USB port. So let's tear it down. Okay, you can see the slot has came off and just left the frame on the board. Now let's unplug the wear bond. So this is a type B USB port. The frame is still on the board. And all pins has been broken. We have to withdraw the main board and see on the back. Okay, other elements looks fine. There's nothing else wrong, just as a broken USB port. So let's just replace it. Okay, I don't have the Type B USB port available, so I just found one on a faulty CD-ROM. This is a broken CD-ROM. Generally, there is a Type B USB port used to the data transmission. So let's just tear it down and withdraw the USB port. Okay, we got the Type B. The next step is soldering it on the board. And first we should clean up the board, remove the left pin, the broken pins of the broken USB port. Let's add some low mount flux. And pull them out. And we plug the 4 pins into the holes. You better choose the hot air so you can hit all the pads at the same time. Okay, job is done. Let's assemble it. Oh, sorry, we should clean it up first. Okay, to test it, I just found a USB wire of Type B. I think the port is fine. So I plug it into the port, and we got the light. So let's test some functions. Okay, the function light is on. So I think out function is normal. And next we will plug it into the PC and test the data transmission. Okay, the audio card has been realized by my PC. So our job is done. Thanks for watching.